Hello everyone. So today is 5th May, and let's look at how what happened in the market today and how the indicators performed. So if you have noticed that there was a sharp up move today, okay. So for that, the preparation started yesterday. So you see that when Nifty was around here yesterday at 16,628. So during the final hour, like the final 30 minutes, if you see, I told my members there that here you can see very well that at 318, okay. So what was happening is usually this doesn't happen, but the IV on the call side was going higher and the IV on the put side was going lower. So it means like a put short was going on and call buying was going on, okay. And now, so I clearly indicated that at 3:18 p.m. 3:19 p.m. yesterday, okay. So then in the morning also today, at, if you see here, I tweeted at 9:31 a.m. So you can go and see the time, 9:31 a.m. okay, that Nifty will temporarily go up. It was currently somewhere around 16,800, okay. Just go and see where Nifty was, okay. After that, then you can see that 9:31. So this first candle, okay, then this candle came 15 minutes, nothing happened, and then Nifty shot up. So this thing that I already told you here, how was I able to tell you that, okay. So that was the reason, like I saw first that yes, my analysis yesterday was correct, the gap up, and then there was put shots going on and the scores were in somewhat increasing mode, okay. As you can see, the scores were increasing. I have also done live streaming, you can go and check there also if you don't believe. So Nifty scores were increasing, and yes, so Nifty shot up, okay. So here you can see at around this 30 and then 31, 32. So then after that the score increased, okay. So I told you at around 9:31 that Nifty is going to go up, and it went up. And usually I tell people that take two trades, one at the morning and then again in the second half. So if you just keep continuing with one trade, we're very sure that in both the halves two different situations will happen, and you'll be at a loss. So yes, that's the thing in the first half, okay, happened fine. Then if you look at the scores, they here from 11, so I mean here the here, so almost 71 was the maximum, or 76 here, 10:15, that was the maximum. After that, though Nifty was at around 16,900, okay, the score kept coming, the score was decreasing, and as you can see the score was decreasing, and finally it went to the negative direction, like at 11:45, okay. So even if you see the chart of the score, so here it was here, and then you can see the sharp decrease in the score. So the preparations to take Nifty down started from there, okay. And here again after that the score was slightly positive, and then again here when second time it went to the again negative zone, then I knew that for sure shot it's going to go down, and that was 12:54. So let's look at 12:54 what was happening. So here 12:30 to 45. So this is the candle 12:45 to 12:1 p.m. So this candle we got to know that yes, it's going to go down. And to confirm also, I told you that yes, these Bank Nifty and Nifty, they are like brothers, okay. So they go in the same direction, so they have a high correlation. So yes, even here Bank Nifty also went to the negative zone, and so it was confirmed that Nifty is going to go down, and after that you have seen the live streaming was going on, and you have seen how the scores went and how the index behaved. So even like here, coming at around here, further score were decreasing, and I mean no one was sure like Nifty will go up from here or not. So if you see the time here, 13:45 to 50, so 13:45. So here 13:45 to 50. So this to 50, 13:45 to 2 p.m. Sorry, this one. And after that, after 2 p.m. also, for you see that, I mean, if you look at the scores here, 45, here 42, 45 minus 48, again the scores is further decreasing. Okay, and that is the reason that it further went down. So yes, so all these are fine, but there is one more thing to note is this thing, that is, suppose if you look at the 1-day chart. So yes, so the levels that I told you, so if you see here, okay, so you can very well see from the morning this level was being respected. Okay, so even if you go, and yesterday even I showed you this level, so you can't say that I have drawn it today, but you see that when Nifty broke the previous level, and then the next day it touched the next level, but still this level has not been broken yet. Okay, so a red candle fully has not happened below it, so we must wait for it to break. Okay, and if this breaks, then the next level is at 15,647. So I'm talking about the long term support and resistance. So but in between you have these two yellow lines which will act during the intraday, but but then Nifty has to come down and touch this line, that is at 15,647, and I'm not joking. So I mean, how long it will take or when it will happen, no one knows, but if this line is broken, then next level is this. So do watch out for that. And yes, so that's that was the first half. And also if you look at the Bank Nifty scores, here also after going up, and then it was totally in this decreasing mode. Okay, so that was the score. And yes, even I tweeted in the morning that for the up move, and also I told here that if you can see that I was doing live streaming, and also I told, or I tweeted that how the scores are going on, and according to them how the index is behaving. And so that's how the experiment today. So these are the things that you should know. And I have live streamed for the past, from last Thursday to this Thursday. I have every day the stock market was open, I have live streamed both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the next 2 weeks I won't be live streaming because there are members who have joined. So for the new members, they wanted trial, so I gave the trial, not only 1 day, so throughout from the previous Thursday to this Thursday. And yes, so that's it for today. Keep learning and keep watching, and I'll be definitely sharing the analysis at the end of the day. And also if you have noticed that yesterday end of EOD data, end of the day data, if you have seen that, so in the first half it did not work, and that's why I tell you that always the intraday will surprise you. Whatever analysis you do, the big players knows that you are doing that. So be careful while trading. And so that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.